Life feels messy, not dramatic movie messy, more like spilled coffee on your soul messy. But sometimes, in the middle of that chaos, you find clarity. This is a simple story about just that. It's funny how life's biggest problems rarely arrive as big problems. Most days they show up disguised as tiny things. A spilled cup of coffee, a missed call, a task you swore you'd finish yesterday. And suddenly everything feels heavier than it should. That was me, standing over a ruined sketchbook, convinced the whole day was already lost. But here's the strange thing. When I sat down to redraw the page, the new version looked better. Sometimes chaos doesn't destroy the plan. Sometimes it edits it for us. I used to treat productivity like a race, always running, always chasing, always behind. Then one day I stopped, just for a moment, and a small bird landed beside me. It didn't care about my deadlines. It didn't care about my to-do list. It just stared at me, as if saying, "You again." And in that tiny pause, I realized something. Rest isn't wasted time. It's where ideas land. Dreams are tricky. They shine bright from a distance, but drift away the moment you reach for them. I remember pitching my first project, rejected, then rejected again, and again. I almost gave up, until I realized the rejection wasn't a wall. It was a mirror. It showed me what needed refining. So I stretched again, a little further this time. And the third time, it worked. We all carry messy bags, half-finished ideas, forgotten notes, and that one banana we swore we'd eat. But every mess tells a story. Mine taught me that progress isn't clean. It's layered, it's clumsy, it's human. You trip, you laugh, you learn, and you keep walking. At the end of the day, life isn't about perfection. It's about drawing it simple, one line at a time. So here's to the stumbles, the pauses, the stretches, and the messy bags. They make the story real. Life drawn simple, not perfect, not polished, but real.